Hi, I'm Krister. In this series, we're going to build a fully functional website. I'm going to show you basic web design, and I'm going to give you all the tricks I've picked up over the years. I'm working with Sublime, but any text editor is fine. Now, I'm going to give you a very simple rundown of an HTML document. So, on HTML, we work with these things called tags, and you have an opening tag and a closing tag. They consist of these predefined words that are wrapped in brackets, and as I said, you have an opening tag and a closing tag. What defines the closing tag is the /. Now, these are, think of them as cascading tags, so you put tags inside other tags and so on and so forth. The main tags that you need for an HTML document is, you open up with a doc type. You need an HTML tag that wraps the entire document. As you can see, I've defined the language there. And then you have a head and a body tag. The difference between them is the body tag contains all the contents of the website, images, videos, texts, all the sections, everything that you see in the website is contained within the body tags. And the head contains all the dependencies, every script, every style sheet, everything that the website depends on, all the resources, if you want to look at it that way, they're all going to be stored within the head tags. And I'll show you how to open one. So you open up a bracket, title, and then you close. What I like about Sublime is that it automatically closes the tag as soon as you type the /. So that comes in very handy. And that is the basic structure of HTML. Now, there's a lot of tags that I haven't put in there, but this is just the very, very bare bones example of an HTML document. Now, inside the head tags, there's two main types of resources: style sheets and scripts. Scripts refer to anything related to animation, sliders, functionality. Styles are going to control all the visual rules that you set for every element inside the body tags. Another important set of tags inside the head section are going to be meta tags. Meta tags are content descriptors that help browsers and search engines read and understand more about the website in order to provide relevant results. In this case, these meta tags are going to define the character set of the website and the scale, and this helps with the responsive design when it comes to opening it and viewing it on tablets and mobiles. Now, inside the body tag is where we're going to display all the content, and we use various types of tags to display various types of content. Some of the most common are headings. So you've got your H1. This is the main heading of every page. You must only have one H1 per page. Now, there's H2 for all the secondary headings, H3, and so on and so forth. We also have a paragraph tag for all the content. We can use image tags, footer tags, and the list goes on. The most important element in here that I'm going to talk about is called a div tag, div. Now, think of a div as a magical box. It's invisible unless it has objects inside. And when it does, it adapts to their width and their height. So if you have a div with an image, a headline, and a paragraph, the containing div is going to adapt to the height and width of these elements. In essence, web design consists of elements contained within other elements. The appearance of the div can be modified by specifically defined rules. This is where style sheets come in handy. Style sheets are written in a language called CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Now we're going to save our document as index.html. the home page is always going to be index. That is what the servers recognize as the home page of your website. And we have successfully created our home page. Now we're going to create a style sheet. Create a new document, and we're just going to save this as styles.css. Now all we have to do is go back to the head section of our index, and we're going to reference the style sheet so that we can define it as a necessary resource for our page. The way we do that is by writing a link tag. Now, this has created the link tag and filled it up by itself, but these attributes basically tell the browser that this is a style sheet and that it's written in CSS. The href attribute is just the path to the file. We're just going to write styles.css. And we have created a page and defined its style sheet.